Welcome back to Pagan Pathways for another video. In this video, we're going to go over 6 signs that your body might be experiencing negative energy and it's time for a cleanse. With that said, I would like to make a side note here that if these are reoccurring or very bothersome, you should seek medical attention because this can indicate a much more serious issue. Irritation. This is normal. We all get irritated at times. However, what we're talking about is where you seem to find yourself being irritated about everything just out of nowhere. If this is the case, it might be time to do a nice spiritual cleanse so you don't have to feel those feelings of frustration and irritation. Lack of motivation can be normal at times. However, if you're feeling unmotivated all the time and you're lacking energy to really do anything, it could be a buildup of negative energy. Difficulty sleeping is something we've probably all struggled with at one point in our life, but it isn't something that we should normally struggle with. If this is an issue, check yourself for negative energy. New communication issues could indicate a buildup of negative energy. It might be time to do a spiritual cleanse. Having fear is a completely normal human experience. We all have fears. However, if you're suffering from irrational fears that are new, it could likely be a buildup of negative energy. Negative energy that builds up can cause us to have difficulty concentrating. If this is something new you're experiencing, then likely you should do a spiritual cleanse.